JavaScript gives you an object that you can use to make AJAX calls. This object can be used to send or receive data from the server. So let's see how to use it. The first thing you need to do is to create a new object. For each AJAX call, you will create a new XMLHTTP request. Now let's console.dir the new object created. We can see that this object has some properties and methods that we can use. This object has a special property called onReadyStateChange. This property stores the function that will process the response from the server. Let's just here console log a message. Then we need to open the request using the open method. To this method, you set the HTTP method you want to use. I will use the get method. Then the second argument is for the link. So I will use this link, which is the link for an API, a free API that I found on this website. So I will be asking some data from a free API that returns random quotes. Then the final step is to send the call using the send method. And now the processing message has been printed 4 times. I will show you why. Here for each time, let's console log this .ready state. The ready state property changes from 1 to 4. So that's how the communication between the browser and the server happens. When the ready state property is equal to 4, this means that the AJAX call has finished. So here let's add an if statement. And here let's console log the result. The result will be stored in response text property. So let's console log this response text. And now let's wait for the call to finish. And great, we have the result. The result we receive is a string. Let's parse it using json.parse. And let's console log the result. And great, now this is a JSON array, and we can do anything that we like with this result.